could possibly stop. Well, if you know, my best guess is right through here, usually 618 to the 786, and you can see we're getting a bounce here. It's hard to say if that'll be a bottom or not. You know, you got to be super careful with these things, especially when Bitcoin's dropping. You know, might not be a whole lot that's going to hold it, but right now it is getting a bounce there, so it makes me feel good that it has grabbed some footing there and is getting a bounce up. It pulled back down to almost 21 cents, okay, and it is getting a bounce back up. Now, as far as Bitcoin itself goes over here, let me show you something. We went up and set that new all-time high, just barely, $69,210. And now we're down $6,000. All right, look at this on a 30-minute. I mean, we knew eventually this was coming. I mean, it has been way too easy, guys. I mean, when you're running up like this, if we go out in a daily and look at this thing, it is just going up and up and up. You know what I mean? Just a steady rise up. Even on a weekly, it looks even more impressive. Look at that. New all-time high, 69,210. There it is. You know, we just barely got it, but we have made a new all-time high. All right, is this where we get a big pullback? Well, let's take a look at the weekly RSI. 86 and an 80, showing a little bit of weakness. The monthly still in a 100 and a 100. The daily, let's see where the daily's at. Still pulling down a 56 and a 68. Now you can really see that red candle up there. These yellow lines, these are monthly support areas. All right, so hopefully it holds up there. We'll have to wait and see. We did have bearish divergence I was warning everybody about on Discord here. You can see this high, a lower high. Then on price action, we had this high and a higher high, and it goes on the whole way down through the 8 hour. You can see bearish divergence, the 4 hour. I mean, the signs were there, that's for sure. The 4, there you go. You know, if we pull this up, you can see this high, a lower high. Okay, so we knew this was coming. It has oversold the RSI. The 4 hour is almost at the bottom. The 8 hour, let's see where it's at. It's getting down there. The 12 hour is about halfway down, and the daily's coming down. The weekly is still bullish, still heading up. There you go, 87 and 81, and the monthly is still at a 100 and a 100. But we did get that new all-time high, $69,210. All right, so we'll see if it slows down any here or catches any ground. But congratulations, Bitcoin has set a new all-time high. Now with Myro, boy oh boy, what a move overnight, huh? That was crazy. I put out the video yesterday. Next target 32 cents. Boy oh boy, blew past that, went up to 38. That's crazy, and I didn't expect it to happen in one night. That was just absolutely insane. But wait till I got these targets to show you now. All right, obviously we have taken out that target. Got a little bit of a head and shoulders there, looks like. All right, on the 1 hour here, let's go into 4 hour. All right, you can see here a wave 1, 2. Wait till you see this target. All right, the next move, when we get the next move up, you'd be looking at about 46 cents. All right, now let's do that one more time. Make sure I got that right. Swing low to the swing high to the retracement. Yeah, about 46, 47 cents. All right, beautiful. And as long as this does not come down and take out, this is super important for this wave pattern. It has to bounce here. Okay, You don't want to see it come any lower. All right, I don't want to see it violate this wave pattern. You would have a 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth wave pullback, and then a fifth wave back up here, up to just about 47 cents. All right, so as long as it does not come down and take out this down here at 0.20465, you want to see it stop right here. Okay, that is kind of the line in the sand. All right, right here. We're going to dump it right there. That's the line in the sand for this thing. Don't want to see it pull down any further. This is the target up here, right there, for the next move. Now let's clean a little bit of this stuff off here. Get that off there. Just bear with me. And if you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. Thank you to all to all the new members. Excuse me. We had 10 more yesterday. Thank you so very, very much, guys. I love it. I can't thank you enough. We have 152 members now. 152. Who would have thought? I mean, I am just so ecstatic and so thankful for you guys. I can't say enough. You know, if you need anything from me, just hit me up in Discord, and I'll get you taken care of. All right, $14.99 gets you 9 hours worth of videos to teach you how to trade. That also gets you 20 plus videos and a link to our Discord. The link to the Discord alone is worth the $15. It's worth a lot more than that. The traders that are over there are just absolutely fantastic. So come join us for $15. It's well worth it. We're in a bull run, guys. This is the opportunity to make life-changing money. Learn as much as you can for $15. If you can get 20 videos, 9 hours of videos, and a Discord link to some of the best traders out there, why wouldn't you do it? I don't get it. I personally, and I'm not trying. The $15, I don't care. I have to charge something. I have to get something for doing these videos. All right, that's just you know, to do them for free, it takes up a lot of my time and a lot of my week. All right, I could just trade myself and easily make more than doing these videos all day. All right, but I really want to make a difference in people's lives. I truly, honestly do, and I believe that these videos in this Discord can do it. These people over there learning so much and doing so well. It's I love it. You know, it's like a proud daddy or something watching some of these people grow. I love it. All right, man. So good. Pay the $15. Come join us. Get signed up. Your link for your Discord will be right in your membership, and get over there and join us. All right. Myro is getting a bounce here. If it loses this 0.20143, I'd get out. All right, this 5-way pattern would be out then, as long as it holds, and it's bouncing right here. Let me get this off here. You can see that it's starting to bounce right now. The 4-hour is bearish. The 8-hour, see where these are at. The 8-hour is at a 78 to 79, just bearish. The 12-hour 58 to 73, bearish. Your daily is at a 94 to 95. It's actually bearish, and we don't have a weekly. All right, I'm still expecting this last push up here before we have a major correction here. I mean, if you come out on this thing on a weekly, all right, and take a look at this, you can clearly see what's going on here. Clearly. 1, 2, this is your third wave here. This will be the longest wave. You can see it. All right, 1, 2, here's your big 3 wave coming up. 4th wave pullback, then a 5th wave up. All right, probably heading, you know, after these 5 waves up, I would imagine we'll be heading up to 60, 65 cents after that, I would imagine. I think this thing is going to reverse and head back up here towards that 47, and that'll be our wave 3. Then we'll have a 4th wave pullback and then a 5th wave up. But we hit our target again, 32 cents. Like I said, I didn't expect it that fast. That was pretty ridiculous. That ended up coming in pretty quick. But we have a higher high, a higher low. We have a higher high, and I expect a higher low to come in, probably maybe around this trend line here. If we don't get this push up to 47 now, we still have a higher high. All right, and we'll get a higher low out of this, but it depends on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin catches ground here and heads back up, or if it continues pulling down. But right now, like I said, Myro is holding ground right here. Keep your Fibonacci on this thing, and make sure it doesn't lose this 786 down here. Let's make that just a little bit smaller, like a 2. There you go. Right at 20 cents. You want to see it hold 20 cents. That way it doesn't violate the top of wave 1 here. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Congratulations. Myro's doing great. And if you got in when I posted that ABC pattern, wow, you had to have made an absolute killing. You really did. When I put that ABC pattern on there the other day, if you would have got in right when I put that in there and rode this thing up, wow, you made some serious gains. That's for sure. I mean, this thing ended up firing up. What was it? It was almost 200%, I think. Yeah, it was bigger than that. On the daily, this candle was, look at this. Well, 160%. That's still massive. It blew past the 32 cents that we had there. So we have hit the target again, which is fantastic. And we'll start shooting for the next ones here up towards what we have here. Let's put right back on this chart over here. Let's put it back on here. Trend-based fib. We have a 1, 2, and a retracement. See, that one came out at 34.9, all right, which is pretty crazy. 34.9. Let's get another measurement on this. From the low to the top to the retracement, and it still blew past at 33. Unbelievable. Yeah, the thing is looking unreal. Let's go to 4 hour, and then if you come up here and take a 1, 2 right from this point here, 1, 2, and the retracement, that's where we get our target up at 48 cents. All right, so we'll see what happens here, but like I said, looks like a third wave. 2, 3, as long as it doesn't take out that 20 cents, then we should have a fifth wave up here. All right, thank you very much, guys. I will talk to you very soon. Have a great day, everybody.